to the whole camera thing, I think part of it comes from just discomfort and shyness, whatever. One thing that I recommend people all the time is like, if you have to just pick this little corner, something in your home or anywhere, and just make it look decent so that you never have to use the blurry backgrounds or whatever. I mean, if you want to use the backgrounds, that's fine. That's all good. I think for just like the algorithms on Instagram and Facebook, when you have a natural background that like that on air neon and all the everything going on and behind Marcus, that's like triggering the algorithms to put you in front of more people, right? So like, for example, one of my clients who does a lot of YouTube videos, he used to do them with just a background or blurred. And I told him, I said, look, by next time we talk, here's what I want you to do. Clean up your background, get rid of that cycle, the exercise bike, get a fig tree, a little fig plant, put up some pictures. He moved his desk over, and like, you don't have to go to those extents, but he does YouTube videos and they're really good, but his background sucked. As soon as he made that change, his views started going through the roof, because even just the thumbnail with the clean background attracts people way more, right? Like, I don't know what it is about a fig plant, but like if you have a fig plant behind you, more people are going to click on your video. So basically, if you don't have a lot of space or you don't want to spend money doing it, just pick a corner, pick a part of the wall somewhere. You can even just maybe put a poster, a map, paint just that little section, So the point is this: the background behind you, make it natural, make it nice and clean. It doesn't have to be fancy. It doesn't have to look a certain way. Everybody's different. And I think it's also a way for you to express who you are. And like, what was just said about let people dislike you up front too, that's fine too. But I think that helps a lot, right? So